That's good for me.
So guys, what was I showing y'all guys? What notes was I using? First of all, what key are we in? We are in the key of A flat or F minor. So what's your chord progression? It's a 6, 2, 5, 2, F, B flat, E flat, B flat, and back to the F minor. So guys, what was I doing guys? What was the technique? I'm starting my solo on the passing chord, which is what? B flat, but I add the 7. So it's a B flat major 7. So all I'm doing is walking down this B flat minor 7 chord. Since B flat is my passing chord, it's the chord in the middle in between my chords. That's my passing chord. I turn it into a minor 7 and I walk down. So I did it on a higher octave. And you see what I'm doing with the binder? And what was my second solo? The second solo, I just moved it up an octave here. So it's like basically your B flat minor 7, turning your passing chord into a 7. Major chord or minor chord is the key, guys. But guys, it's a very popular progression. We're gonna get right into it, guys. So your 6 is this. It's the F minor. Then you go to your B flat minor. Then you go to your E flat major. Then you go back to your B flat minor. But you put a nice solo sound on, like. You could do this. This is simple. But why not turn that middle chord into a major chord? As long as your middle chord is a major chord, you can do any rhythm you want. Now let's play this with the beat. With these notes, I'm gonna do a random rhythm. Let's take out the F. And let's use these. And let's add this. Let's do these notes. Watch this, guys. What else can we do? Let's take out this. Let's take out the D flat. And let's use these. Okay, watch this, guys. Watch this. What else can we take out? Because we're still messing with this chord. So let's take out the 2 middle ones. Let's only play with A flat and B flat. Watch what I'm gonna do, guys. Watch what I'm gonna do, guys. Alright, watch this. I found one. see guys the technique? Playing around with this B flat minor 7 in the key of A flat. That's the key. Hey guys, this is Roland Blase. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. This Kompa course, how to chaque, simple solo tips. You will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to kompakeyboardschool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.